everyone, I'll be hosting these two important people who will be greeting our dear friend and celebrator, birthday celebrator today. And I think they're very much important because I'm going to host it. Anyways, Zane, I know you're gonna be watching this 20 years from now when you're super duper ugly and no one loves you already. So I love you, okay? Don't you forget that. And now let me give you these two stupid people, okay? They're gonna greet you just as stupid as you are. Ladies and gentlemen, world, I give you TJ and Martin.
Hi! Hi, Bess! Happy birthday, Bess!
Happy birthday, Jane!
Hug!
Hi!
Any words so you can...
Go.
Ikaw na!
Naturuan ka, diba?
Sumasama kayo sa
Ate Jane, happy birthday. Salamat sa mga happiness pag magkasama tayo. Sana
Sana hindi ka kinakabahan.
sana hindi ko alam, basta
Hindi pala alam.
happy birthday, wish you all the best and many birthdays to come.
Yan. Hi, Bess! Happy birthday! Kahit otik panahon na yung pinagsamahan natin, pero super fun talaga pag magkasama tayo. Super issue! I love you, Bess! Tsaka tag dito, yun na yun, alam mo na yun, mahal kita. Happy birthday!
Very much.